Hi guys, and welcome back to Channel Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious enchilada casserole. Stick around. For the meat filling, we have 1 pound of ground beef, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and 1 can of green chilies, and some minced garlic. Start by getting your meat chopped up really small. Here I have drained my ground beef, and I'm going to start adding in my seasons. I will leave all ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now it's sauce time. Here's all the ingredients I will use to make my enchilada sauce. Again, all ingredients and measurements will be listed down in the description box. Get your oil added to your pan. Next, add your flour. And we're going to keep mixing this until it becomes a light brown color. This is your roux for your enchilada sauce. Keep your stove on a medium temperature. You don't want it too hot because you don't want your roux to burn. Now it's time to start adding our seasons. Now start adding in your chicken broth. Then add the rest of your seasons to your sauce. And then you just want to keep cooking this until the sauce thickens up a little bit. And while your sauce is cooling, now it's time to make our tortillas. And here's what you'll need: corn tortillas and oil. Once your oil becomes hot and bubbly, it's time to start adding our tortillas. I'm going to cook them for a couple seconds on each side. Altogether, I used 24 corn tortillas for this recipe. You're going to need 3½ cups of Colby Jack cheese. Now for the fun part, it's time to get our casserole layered. You want to layer the bottom of the pan with a little bit of your red sauce and just get that spread around evenly. Next, it's time to layer, or dip, I must say, thin layer your tortillas in your pan. I use 6 corn tortillas for each layer. Now it's time to get some of our ground beef layered on the casserole. And I don't know about you, but I like onions, so I'm going to add a little bit of onions in between each layer. Now it's time to add some of our grated Colby Jack cheese. And now we're going to repeat these layers 3 more times. Now it's time to get some foil over your pan, and we're going to get this in the oven. Get this in the oven on 375 for about 20 minutes. And now I'm going to get this uncovered, and I'm going to get more cheese, about a half a cup added to the top. I love the cheese, you guys. And then we're going to get that put in the oven uncovered for about 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. And this is what my finished dish looks like, you guys. I made a side of Mexican rice to go along with that. This was so delicious. Everyone loved it. And you can always top it with your favorite toppings such as sour cream or guacamole. I will leave a link to my Mexican rice in the description box. Let me know if you give this recipe a try and what you think. Remember, this is your recipe. You can change it up, add and take away what you want. This is just the base of how I do it, and it is so delicious. Thanks for joining me, guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and have a blessed day.